Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Malibu. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have HID headlights. Chrome grille adds a nice sharp feel on the front end. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, we're going to take a look in the trunk. You have a rear backup camera on the back. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.